Alright, so I'm going to be gone this week, and you are going to still learn a whole lot. We're going to be studying about space systems, even though I'm not there. You're going to learn about astronomy and the timeline the first day. There's a lot of Ed puzzle videos, and I will be able to see whether or not you've answered the questions in the puzzle. So you are being given points for that. You also are going to get graded on your science journal. You need to have a lot of the things that I asked for you to do, like making a timeline, drawing things to scale and the seasons, and things about the moon. So all those things do need to be in your science journal. You will get graded on that. You will have quiz at the end of the week. So do be watching the videos, do be reading the articles. All of that stuff is fair game, and you will you'll learn a lot about the seasons and the moon and the eclipses and how the scale of the universe and our solar system, how amazing it is. You're going to be making your own review on the fourth day, so you're going to make a Google quiz, and y'all have done that before, so you should be familiar with that. And then the next day you're going to take a Google quiz. And as always, be silent during this time. It is time for you to work, and especially during the test, it's very important. So have a great week, and I look forward to seeing you when I come back. Bye.